Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, this video is all things IVYPARK. I finally got my hands on some, so let's get into it. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you know about it. So to begin with, finally got some IVYPARK stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown on how I got it. Now, the online process sucked. It's no shade to Beyonce or Adidas, but I pretty much was able to see the items on the website. I put the items in my cart and then I had a 2-hour wait. So after the 2-hour wait, I was like, okay, you know, this is good. It's a waiting queue. I can go ahead and just put the items that I want in my cart, which was 5 items in my cart. And I'll just come back in 2 hours when the time is available for me to purchase. So I actually took a nap. I woke up 6 minutes before it was time to purchase. So I had my information ready, my card information ready. I was ready to go, ready to purchase it. By the time it came to purchase the items, it was like sold out. So, oh no, it said 2 items were available in the cart. So I went from 5 items to 2 items, which I really wasn't excited about. But hey, I had to get what I can get. When I went to purchase, it pretty much was like sold out. Everything sold out within like probably a minute. It had to be a minute. So I was a little disappointed. I was like, damn, I really wanted to get something from this collection because I didn't get anything the first time, and I actually really like these colors. So I was like, okay, I know she's probably coming out with a 2.5 because I've seen little snippets of the colors, and I think they're going to be like black and gold or red or something like that. So I was like, okay, I'll just wait till the next time. So I ended up going to Lenox Mall, randomly stopped into the Adidas store. They had stuff. So I was like, oh wow, they have IVYPARK stuff, so let me see what I can grab. Voila, this is what we have. So I'm going to give you guys my insight and what I really feel about the clothes, the material, the little details, and the pricing. What I have on now, I have on the canary yellow hat. I also have on the canary shirt, which I really like the clothing. Generally speaking, I really enjoy the fact that it's gender neutral, so men and women can wear it. The sizing is a little weird, so I'm glad I was able to go in the store and get it, because if I would have ordered my sizes online, they would have been all messed up. Plus, the smalls in certain items are really big. Like I wanted that big jacket that it's called the Degrassi jacket. It's the green jacket, and that would have been huge on me because it was huge in store, like super big. Mind you, somebody returned it. That was the only reason I was able to even see it, because I was at the counter and I was like, what's that? And it was like, it's a jacket. And I was like, let me see it. And I was really gonna get it, even though it was $100. I was really gonna get it, but it was just huge, and I don't think I like the fit. But what I got, I do like. So let's get into that. So this is the bag that you get at the Adidas store. It's just a standard Adidas bag, which I really wasn't happy about. I really thought I deserved a IVYPARK bag or something really special, but hey, you gotta get what you can. So let's start off with the shirt, since I have the shirt on. I do like the detailing here. It says IVYPARK in the middle. It has the stripes on the side, which are really, really nice. So this is the hat. The hat says IVYPARK. As you can see, the hat is a cutoff, and then you can turn it around and wear it forward. And then it has the same 3 Adidas stripes here going down the hat. It also has Adidas on the side. So this is the hat and the shirt. Mind you, I wasn't initially gonna buy some shoes because I was like, oh, I have Yeezys that can go with this. It's Adidas, perfect fit. But I was like, okay, I love Beyonce. If they have a pair of shoes, I'm gonna grab the shoes. So this is what the box looks like. These are the Nitejoggers, and I got them in a size 8. The box is really, really cool. It has the stripes on it. It's kind of like a matte gloss, which is really cool. And then when you slide it open, you have a dust bag, which I think is really cool. A dust bag for a regular shoe, which is not really a regular shoe because it's Beyonce's name on it. It's pretty cool. So it says IVYPARK on the dust bag, and obviously the shoes are inside. So this is what they look like. So I do like these. I think the Adidas with the Ultra Boost are really, really nice. The detailing on it is really nice. The colors are nice. I love this little stringy thing that's in the back right here. Looks pretty cool. And only one of the shoes come with the IVYPARK little lanyard logo, which I may not wear it on the shoe because I don't want to get it dirty. So I may just like put it on my keychain or something like that. But I do like the shoes. I think the shoes were about 150 bucks. The hat was 35 bucks, and then the shirt was 45, which is reasonably priced. Adidas would normally cost 150. I really wanted it. I feel like I didn't get anything the first collection, so I was like, hey, if they have it, I'm gonna buy everything that I can get. So next up we have the IVYPARK cargo short. These are really cool. I like the detailing on it. This is the part of the Degrassi collection. On the side it has the 3 stripes, and the pocket kind of extends a little longer, and then it also has these 2 little metal tassels, which I don't know, I like the small little details and stuff like that. On the back it has the Adidas logo. It says IVYPARK right here on the pocket. So stitched on the pocket it says IVYPARK, and these are the shorts. Now I will say this, the shorts and clothing does fit a little big. I got these in a small. If they had an extra small, I probably would have got them just so that way they can fit a little more snug on my stomach. Well, around my waist. By the way, the shorts are 75 bucks, which I think is a little pricey for some shorts, but I just got them. So on to the next item. So next up we have the IVYPARK fanny pack. Now this bag is huge. It's a really huge bag. So it is a really huge bag, but it has multiple pockets. There's 3 pockets on the front. There's a big pocket in here. Up top it says IVYPARK in the inside. I wish the zipper wasn't silver. I wish the zipper was green or like gunmetal black. I don't know. I just don't really like silver hardware. But there is also a bigger zipper in the back, and the strap actually extends. So yeah, this was 85 bucks too. So, and this came in this color, the Degrassi color, and it also came in the gold drip or honey drip. But yeah, I like it. It's really cool. I was a little, I know this probably sounds like a brat, but I was mad that I didn't get like a special bag or a special box or anything. So I asked the employee, I was like, hey, we don't get like a lanyard or anything? And he was like, I'll give you mine. So he gave me his IVYPARK lanyard, which is really, really cool. I really like it. It just says Adidas, this is my park, IVYPARK, and it has the size chart on the back, which is definitely necessary because the unit-fit sizes are kind of weird. But yeah, he gave me this lanyard, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but I think it's just cool to have. So all in all, I am happy that I was able to get something. Initially, I was like, okay, I'm a little disappointed that I wasn't able to get anything, and I waited in this 2-hour wait line, and I wasn't able to get nothing. But I'm glad I was able to walk into the Adidas store in Lenox Mall to grab some things, because if I would have got the sizes that I initially wanted, they would have been all off and I would have been sending everything back. So thank you, Lenox. Thank you so much for having some items in stock. Thank you to that guy who worked there. I can't remember his name, but sweet guy, nice guy, got me my shoes, got me my shirt, got a new hat for me, so I'm super excited. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And as always guys, until next time, I'm out.